welcome back to reading class. This is your second reading lesson. You should have this page that says mountain faces on it. Okay, have that in front of you. Here we go. I'm going to read it through slowly. You can read it out loud with me. Remember, I'm going to be stopping to give you, between each paragraph, to give you words that you may not understand. And don't forget to ask me if there's some words that I don't tell you that you want some help with. Mountain faces. Doane Robinson needed an idea to get more people to visit the Black Hills of South Dakota. He looked for his answer in the Black Hills themselves. The mountains, he thought, would be perfect for carving a large sculpture. Maybe the face of an Indian chief or a great Western hero. Stop there. Carving. When you're carving something that's like tallando something here, getting in like rock or something like that, you're making pictures and things. A sculpture is an esculturo, right? Or escultura. Sorry, I had to check my notebook. Escultura. But Doane's sculptor, that's someone who makes the escultura, but Doane's sculptor had a different idea. To get more people interested in a great carving, he thought it should include 4 presidents: George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. On October 4th, 1927, 400 workers set to work carving into the granite of the Black Hills of South Dakota. Over 800 million pounds of stone were blasted away as the faces began to take shape. It would take 14 years to finish the 60-foot carvings of presidents. Stop there. So that word granite, that's granito. That's the type of rock that they were carving into. And when they would blast it away, that means they were like exploding that rock so that it wouldn't be there anymore. But Doane was right. Many people came to see the great monument, or monumento. In fact, Mount Rushmore has over 2 million visitors each year. Now 2 million, that's more than 2,000, that's 2,000,000. That's a lot of people, right? Yes, that is. Okay, make sure your name is on this piece of paper and flip it over to the other side. On the other side, these are your directions. Number these events in the correct order from 1 to 6. Write the letter under the number in the correct blanks below to unscramble another name for Mount Rushmore. So what that means, look at the first one. You have a giant E there. It says Mount Rushmore became one of America's most popular tourist sites. You have to find, in all of these, you have to order them, 1 through 6, which one came first. Was it Mount Rushmore became one of America's most popular tourist sites? Workers began blasting and carving the granite mountains. The sculptor decided to carve the faces of 4 presidents. After 14 years, the monument was finished. Doane decided a sculpture would draw more people to the Black Hills. Or Doane hired a sculptor to plan the project. So which one came first? That's right, the one next to the letter S. Doane decided a sculpture would draw more people to the Black Hills. So you're going to put a number 1 in that blank by the S. Then you're going to put in the blank down here the letter S, because that blank goes with the number 1. So since we decided that 1 is S, we'll put the S here in the blank for 1. Then you find the second thing to happen. Whichever letter goes with the second thing to happen, you'll put that letter in 2. Then you'll finish the puzzle to find the other name for these hills. It's the something of democracy. Democracy is the type of government that America has. And of course, as always, you can color the pictures that you have on your paper. Make it nice and pretty. Have a wonderful day, guys. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.